Hello, friends. So now we are nearing an end to this series Kuch Meetha Ho Jaye. We have already entered into the last lap, and these are the last 2 days. Today is the second last day. Friends, this has been a wonderful experience for me. It has been a journey which I did not travel alone, but you all traveled with me together. The amount of love, appreciation, encouragement, and support you guys have given me has been overwhelming. And I'm really, really, really thankful for that. We have built experiences together. I also thank people who have been sharing some validated information from the right sources so that I could keep going day by day consistently. So, this has been an experience which was achieved together. It's not possible for one person to come out with something like this consistently every day. So thank you very much. Now what I've decided, friends, is that in these 2 days I'm not going to share any kind of stories or any other kinds of news. But we are going to summarize the entire thing what we have learned together. What kind of information we would summarize everything, the kind of experiences we have built, the kind of learnings and the lessons we have received. And I'm sure that once we can summarize this nicely, we would find ourselves a little better than what we are today. We are going to see an improved version of ourselves. So, what I've done is I've divided the entire learning into 7 nuggets, 7 pieces of golden information. You can say these are the golden pieces of experiences, or the golden lessons, or we can say the golden nuggets. So now let's start. I would be sharing few of them today and few of them tomorrow, which is going to be the last day of this sharing. So let's start with today. So the first is believe in being together. Friends, whatever the crisis is, whatever the problem is, which is at such a huge national level, we all must understand that we can only fight this and win this battle, win this war, if we are together, if we are united. We need to see to it that we stand with each other, we help each other beyond any kind of differentiation or discrimination which is regarding to social, religious or economic standings. This needs to be understand strongly. एक आदमी के बस की या एवरी इंडिविजुअल के बस की बात नहीं है कि ऐसी क्राइसिस को हैंडल कर सके. Friends, I would be just narrating the nuggets. I'm not going to elaborate on any kind of this narration. These are self-explanatory. अगर आपको लगे कि कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, you can go through it once again, but these are self-explanatory. Point number 2. Believe in following the expert. Friends, एक बहुत सिंपल चीज है कि जब भी दुश्मन, when the enemy is hidden or enemy is unknown, it is always more dangerous. सो ये टाइम पे कोई भी रैंडम पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन या रैंडम न्यूज़ पे भरोसा नहीं करके वी मस्ट सी टू इट दैट ये जो इवेंट हुआ है उसके पीछे जो भी एक राइट अथॉरिटी अपॉइंट की गई है, राइट एक्सपर्ट्स जो अपॉइंट किए गए हैं, सिर्फ उनको ही सुनना है और उनको ही फॉलो करना है. अननेसेसरीली कहीं भी आउट ऑफ पैनिक और आउट ऑफ आवर ओन इनसिक्योरिटी कहीं भी डेविएट नहीं होना है, डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होना है. बिलीव इन फॉलोइंग द एक्सपर्ट ओनली. दिस इज द सेकेंड लेसन आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर विथ यू. And the third lesson is believe in timely preparation and finding out the why as early as possible. Friends, क्या होता है ना कि ऐसी काइंड की जो चैलेंज आती है इन सच काइंड ऑफ क्राइसिस, इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि इसके पीछे का कारण बहुत ही जल्दी समझा जाए. वी नीड टू गैदर सम अमाउंट ऑफ राइट नॉलेज की जिसके बेस पे हमें मालूम पड़े कि भाई ये क्यों हुआ है, कैसे हुआ है, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. और जब अपने को वो मालूम पड़े उसके बाद उसके पीछे को जो उसको टैकल करने के लिए जो भी प्रिपरेशंस चाहिए या जो भी सीक्वेंस ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ चाहिए वो फुल ऑनेस्टी के साथ में, सिंसियरिटी के साथ में और डिसिप्लिन के साथ में इफेक्ट में लानी है. बहुत 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 ही ज़रूरी है. क्योंकि अगर अपने को वाय नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा तो पहली बात तो ये बैटल को तो फाइट करने की बात दूर हो गई, मगर फ्यूचर में जो रिपीटिशंस होंगे ना उसको भी हम लोग कभी भी टैकल नहीं कर पाएंगे. So this is very important, that believe in timely preparation. This is the third point, and finding out the why behind this happening as early as possible. So friends, these are the three learnings which I would like to share today, and we would of course go with the balance for tomorrow. And let's see what we can learn together and what is there for everybody tomorrow. So that's all for today, and as I always say, stay home, stay healthy, and keep being positive, spread positivity. Thank you so much.